Good afternoon, everybody. Seth here at Pocket Yacht. Today I want to give you a quick walk around tour of our brand new 2027 Sailfish 232 center console. Let's go take a look. This 232 comes in a hull color of Provence blue, has a two-tone colored hull with the white hull bottom, and this is powered by the very reliable Yamaha 250. It's a V6 on the back of it. Here you'll see a nice view into the back of the boat here, and it kind of highlights a very nice back bench seating area. You have two walkthroughs on either side, both port and starboard, to be able to get to the back very easily. And then if you want to, you can actually close those back, open up the seats under it, and then you have two live wells. So for fishing, it's great to have those. Up under the bench seat area is also going to be easy access to your batteries, to your bilge pump, everything up under that you need to access for maintenance purposes. Also on the back, you're going to have a couple cup holders, a couple rod holders, a ski tow pylon, which is retractable, goes up and down, locks into place. Up under your driver's seat, you have a very nice angle cooler. It'll slide out. There's a handle on the bottom. You pop it open, load everything you need for the day. Whenever you're done with it, you just close it back up, pull that handle again, and you push it. It stows right up under the driver's seat. The dash on the 232 is very well thought out. You have your Garmin screen, Yamaha screen. Trim tabs are very easy to get to. Throttle nicely placed right in the middle. Garmin VHF and your Fusion head unit. All of your switches are really easy to get to right above the screens. You have a nice little catch-all area. And up top in the T-top, you have a little storage area. You can put first aid kit in there, registration, whatever it may be. And you have a wireless phone charger and holder. Up under the T-top, you're gonna have a couple speakers. You have a mesh area where you can put a rope, and then, of course, more rocket launchers up top. This driver's seat is a fantastic design. You have bolsters. You can push those up, give yourself more room while you're driving. You also can move that into the reverse position, so it gives you a nice view of the back. Kids are playing at the sandbar. If you just want to troll, whatever the case is, you have nice visibility there. Over on the side of the center console, you have rod holders there for storage. We come up to the bow seating area, have the table in place right now. Very nice seating area, and on the front of the center console, you have a seat as well. And that also will pop up, and it is a head area. Well thought out by Sailfish, incredibly well done. Now the table is pulled out at this point in time, and another cool feature that this front seating area has is you can pop those seat backs up. Want to face forward as you're running out there, or if you're anchored out somewhere, want to get some sun, that's great. Fish box in the middle, very easy to open up, and then you can just shut that thing down. Under each one of the seats, a little bit of storage here. And rod holders all over this boat. There are rod holders on the sides. You have it in the back transom area. You also have the rocket launchers that we saw up top. On the port and starboard side here as well, and then more rod storage, and then you also have rod storage on the port and starboard side towards the back there. Thank you so much for tagging along today as we walk through this 2027 Sailfish 232. If you have any other questions about the Sailfish lineup, or you want to make an appointment to come see us in person, please let us know. We are located here in New Bern, North Carolina, also in Jensen Beach, Florida. Thank you so much, guys. We'll talk to you soon.